Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to convert your Base44 web app into a native app. First, open your project in Base44. You need to copy your app's URL to use it in the next step. To do this, click on the Publish button at the top right of your screen. If you have not published your app yet, you will need to publish it first. After publishing, copy the URL that is provided. Next, open a wrapper website. You can use sites like AppMyWeb or Median.co. Once you are on the website, look for the field where you can enter your app's URL. Paste the URL into this field. Then click on the button that says Build App. After that, you will be asked to enter a name for your app. Type the name you want and then click on Start Building My App. Median will begin the process of building your app. This may take a few minutes. Once the building process is complete, you will have the option to generate the installation files for your app. You can choose an APK file for Android or an IPA file for iOS if you want to publish it on the App Store. To download the file, click on the Download button. On the left side, you will see the Build button next to the APK file. Click on it and wait for the file to finish generating. Once it is ready, you can download the file to your computer. Your native app is now ready and can be installed or published. Thanks for watching.